I'm Cliona from Easy Living Furniture, and this is the Hamilton Extendable Dining Table. This is a very sleek dining table that has a modern grey tabletop. The Hamilton is certainly a memorable table. It features a black pedestal base with a gold detail. It boasts a ceramic tabletop which is scratch and heat resistant, making it an ideal choice for any busy-bodied households. The Hamilton could suit a small or a large space. A really unique feature of the Hamilton is that it rotates 360 degrees to extend fully. It is relatively compact when not extended. It can be fully extended to measure 240 centimeters in length and accommodate extra guests. The Hamilton is sure to add a touch of character to any dining space. You can shop the dining table today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.